today I am in conversation with Mr. B.S. Anand. Mr. B.S. Anand is from Mohali. He is the founder of an organization called Jupiter Aqualines Limited. Their brand is called Jal, and they are a very well-known brand, especially in the southern part of the country, in bathroom fittings. He is also the person behind a cluster for metal and metal related products. So we'd like to learn from him what are some of his achievements and what else is it that we can learn from his experiences so far. So good evening, Mr. Anand.
Yeah, good evening.
So thank you for taking time out for us.
That's my pleasure.
So please share with us something about yourself, and then we'll ask you about the brand that you created.
Right. I started my business very early. When I was studying, I completed my graduation later on.
Okay.
That was in 1979. But I started business in 77, 78. So at that time, we started as a small player, very small player, like an NCD unit to a good brand. And later on in 89, I floated my own company in association with my other partner, Mr. Vivek, who is there. Just a friend,
Okay.
not a family person. And then we started our own brand, Jal. Jal has been withdrawn from name from the Jupiter Aqualines.
All right. So tell us something more about the brand Jal. What did you think about it, and how have you been building it?
Yeah. As I shared with you earlier that we have a good market in southern states. Many people ask me why not the north, why southern states. So we followed some principles like that. North market at that time, it was Delhi, which was spoiling the other market. They give everything in number 2 without bills.
Right.
And we from the day one had the principle that without bill, no. So that's why we had established market in South. At that time, they people were not demanding any deal without bill. Culture was like that only.
Awesome.
But now it's recently, for the last, you can say, 5, 6, 10 years, that people in North, especially builders and others, even after this GST, people are demanding to deal with bills.
Okay.
Earlier, this culture was not there, especially in building materials.
Fantastic.
So, that's why the brand grown up over there in those markets. And we are known for quality. We were the first company who were certified ISO 9000 at that time in the field of bathroom fittings.
Wow.
Many good brands are there, but we were the first one. And till date, I am the only manufacturer of bathroom fittings who had got National Quality Award from Government of India.
Fantastic. And when was this?
Long back. Mr. Jaswant Singh, he was the minister at that time, finance minister. I don't remember the exact year.
All right.
Yeah. Then we
Congratulations. That really tells something about your love for quality and love for being responsible for the consumers.
Yeah, we think that it's the basic duty of a manufacturer.
Yeah.
That he should care of his customer with his quality.
Fantastic. And you went on to create a cluster which was among the first clusters in India.
Yeah.
Can you tell us something more about this cluster? What does this cluster do, and what is available to the members of the cluster?
MSMEs, they have a constraint that you don't have much more resources. And this is a wonderful scheme from Government of India, MSME CDP, Cluster Development Program, where you can get the facilities which the larger units have, but still you are an MSME.
Okay.
So this scheme, this has 2 parts. Now the people are mostly following the second part, hard implementation, that is a common facility center. But the one part is of the scheme is soft intervention. So initially we followed that.
Yeah.
So for the 2 years, we have been doing these soft interventions. We have been calling people from outside also, other days, like somebody expert in rubber parts, somebody in electroplating, then in foundry. So whatever processing we have, for those we have been calling the people. And during that time, we had a good rapport, good tuning with the other manufacturers also, local
Okay.
manufacturers, who are now shareholders of this cluster.
And around how many business owners get the benefit out of this cluster?
Still, it is not fully operational. We are expecting the last installment from Government of India, maybe in the next 10-15 days. So when it is there, then when we are fully operational, then around more than 100 people they will be availing the services
All right.
in the near future.
Fantastic. That's
So
really
we have around 100 units manufacturing this bathroom fittings. Sorry, it is sorry.
You've got so you've got around 100
100
units which will eventually get benefited from this.
Yes.
And in terms of quality, the passion that you have for quality, have you been able to raise the level of quality of all the business owners around in this cluster?
Yes, it is made, this area it is known for quality. Due to brands like us, people know that more than the other part of the country, who are manufacturing Mathura and Delhi. So Chandigarh manufacturers, they are known for quality in comparison. So we have that kind of culture, but we were not having facilities for exports and other things to be competitive. We can do better than China even,
Awesome.
but that infrastructure that matters. So
Right.
here we have a casting machine which we have imported from Italy, low pressure die casting and other machines.
Okay.
At that time when we wanted to have this cluster, there was only 1 or 2 machines, and those were not also up to mark. Now such kind of machines are there in India, only 5 to 7.
Okay.
But in China you have great numbers.
All right. So
Same again, the other equipment which we have nickel chrome thickness touching machine, then the 3D printer, 3D scanners, all are good brands.
So do you think initiatives like these will benefit the industry at large?
Definitely. So when you don't have facility, how you can think of competing with the international players? On the other hand, as I told you, MSMEs, they can't afford. I can't afford a furnace of setup of 3 crores,
Right.
and then I cannot absorb all the production. But when you are in a cluster, so then now we are thinking that maybe in the 1 or 2 years, we may have to invest our own money to expand this cluster.
Awesome.
Yeah, we may need such more machines.
That's so. So would you say that the mission is accomplished? The
Yeah.
vision that you set in the beginning.
We are happy with that. We are satisfied with that.
Okay.
So what we are going to have in the new